Hello guys! Today, we will discuss how to create a door opening in Adonai. So, here I am drawing a straight wall. Then, you can see an option called Door Opening. There you can see two types of door openings. One is a door opening, and the second one, Custom Opening. Let's see the door opening. First, select the door opening and place it on the wall. You can see the 3D when you click on the door opening. You can see different types of shapes. You can adjust the dimensions. The next option is Custom Opening. Click on that and select the wall. And OK. Here you can see the different drawing options and guides with which you can draw the shape. Take the line option and draw the closed figure. And click on Finish. You can see the output in 3D. If you want to edit that shape also, by clicking on Edit the Door Opening contour lines, you can also edit the shape also.